What's going on, my gamers? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Hinge Premium for free. So if you guys do not know, Hinge is an app that's probably used by more people than Tinder nowadays. So on the Hinge app, as you can see, we have to upgrade, of course, but it is free with developer mode, which is only in the mod, which I'm showing you guys how to download. So I just authorized for my account to become developer mode status. So let's see if it makes me a developer. And as you can see, I have all these settings unlocked. Mainly unlimited likes is what tickles my fancy. But let me just show you guys how to get this app. So the first step is going to be opening the browser. And literally, guys, just type tweakmod.com. So in this site, guys, you're going to find a lot of apps. So there's going to be like Pokemon Go mods, but obviously today we want a Hinge Premium mod. So press on it, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official App Store, and this will give you free Hinge Premium, no payment. So as you can see, it's loading right here, so I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So yeah, it's not for me because I'm a bad, I didn't want to pay for Hinge. I was like, that's bad. I don't want to do that. But now that I'm able to get Hinge Premium for free, guys, I have no reserve about using it because I mainly have unlimited likes, which is a really epic feature. So as you can see, it's loading right here, and it's going to tell us the final step, which is the verification. So we do have to download 2 of these apps. So like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got the Travel Town, the Family Island, all these different games. A lot of them are games, but it really doesn't matter, guys. Just make sure you do 2 of them. You follow the instructions. Then the Hinge Premium mod should be on your device, and you can actually get free Hinge Premium in 2025, guys. So get the word out.